guys, so as you see from the beginning of this video, if I put an intro, I probably did of showing you guys the end result. But let's see if I can actually get there. I don't know. I'm not confident in this look, but it's been a while since I've used these locks. I am basically going another lazy way out with not doing my hair. Look, I am headed to Dallas with Isaiah, and then I'm gonna go to Houston. If y'all don't know, it's like 97 to 99 degrees down there right now. So there will be no wigs, there will be no closures, no clip-ins, none of that kind of stuff. And so I'm basically just adding these soft locks that I'm gonna show you right here. These soft locks I have used from Amazon before. It's been like, y'all, it's been maybe like 4 or 5 years since the last time I used them, and I loved them. They are the lightest lock that I've ever used. They're super soft. So I'm also gonna add some deep wave hair. I really wanted to do body wave, but I couldn't find any synthetic body wave hair because this is a very cheap style, okay? So I just went on ahead with deep wave. I really didn't want that super curly look. I was kind of going for more this look right here that I did last year, but these are human hair locks. I'm gonna install my human hair locks when I get to Dallas, probably for the remainder of my trip. But for now, to get me through this week and get me down there with Isaiah, I just wanted something really light on my head. My hair is not in a bad state, but I have some breakage on this side of my head, and I don't know what happened. I don't know why. Not letting it stress me out. It is what it is. So y'all, I already started to install these locks. I only got one package, okay? I only got one package for a reason. You probably need two. These were like $19 or 20 bucks, so at the most you'll probably spend 40 bucks on these, but I only did one because I'm gonna add the deep wave hair, and obviously I'm not done. I still gotta add them here. If I feel the need to order another packet, I'll come back and show you guys and make it a little fuller. I'm also a little nervous how the synthetic hair is going to go. I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna add in at this point. I know I'm gonna add it in just to give it that boho look. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling my way through this style, you guys. I did not take down my last braid pattern. I'll insert it right here, what I did. I just washed my hair, conditioned it. I've really been loving not having to redo my braid pattern, or not wanting to, especially in a warmer month with styles like these, like locks, boho, anything where your hair is like, the older it gets, the better it looks. For now, this is going to do. That's all I got for now. I will come back when I start adding the deep wave pieces in to kind of see how they look. I may hate it. I don't really know. I may hate it and have to order another pack of locks today. We'll just see. All right, you guys, so installing these is very easy. I did like a double on some of these as far as tightening them, but on most of them I ended up just doing a little single here. The little, I guess the opening of the lock is very flexible. You can really open it as much as you want to, as you guys just saw. So it's gonna be very easy and quick to install, y'all. It did not take me, what, I don't know, 20 minutes or so to just install this whole bag. Don't forget, if your scalp is sensitive, then you want to go ahead and do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Y'all, I'm gonna spoil it for you right now. I do need 2 bags of this hair, but I went on ahead and was about to order them, but it came in the boho style that I wanted, y'all, and I'm just now discovering it like right now. So that's the look on my face when I saw it. Okay, so this is how I'm doing today. They actually have an 8-pack goddess lock. So they have the boho braids, which means the wavy pieces, already installed. I did not see this 2 weeks ago when I ordered this freaking hair, or else I would have been purchased this. It should be here in 2 days. So right now I'm not adding the all 8 packs in because that's just gonna be way too much. I don't want that many boho strands. And it looks like I'm not gonna add this deep wavy hair, which I have a feeling it probably wouldn't have looked good in the first place. All right, y'all, so this is 2 days later, and I had to put some makeup on because I'm like, I gotta make sure it's all coming together exactly how I want it to be. And so I just got my hair, just got the boho locks, y'all. The hair is so good. Both these so good, but look at my face. Y'all, I ordered the same freaking length, and these are shorter. They must have given me like an 18-inch or something. It just had to have been just a mix-up. The hair, no problems. The hair at all. Love the hair, love the locks. And at this point, I was like, well, I don't have no time to reorder and wait. So I was like, we just gonna make it do what it do and we gonna make it work, okay? So I kind of moved some pieces around. So I pulled some pieces from the back of my head of the original locks and just kind of, I don't know, just kind of mixed them all together. I ended up just adding, I want to say 2 packs of these Boho Locs in my hair because I realized it wasn't a lot of curly pieces, but you know what? It ended up working out and it came out cute anyways. I kind of figured like, you know what? Maybe this is not the best time to do a lot of curly pieces because I really don't want to maintain it. I really was just not in the mood, you guys. And I'm really just going to go be with family and don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on my hair. So again, I went on ahead and ordered the locks. Make sure you get them in the correct length because mine were definitely not, which was definitely irked my nerves just a bit, but it worked out and I'm just installing these like normal. They are a little bit heavier, so keep that in mind, which is again why I only added 2 packs of hair and that was more than enough. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and talk about my edges. Let's lay them. First of all, I was, you know, it is just what it is. I'm still laying my edges, okay? I have been through this. I've lost my edges, brought them back, lost them, brought them back. It's just a cycle, and it is what it is, okay? I know what I'm doing. I'm not going to worry about it, and that's just going to be that. So anyways, just use my Baskin Robbins. Just use my Baskin Lather Edge Control with a little bit of my Blue Lagoon Jam, and I'm talking about the tiniest bit because like I said previously, the Blue Lagoon Jam I think is what kind of, it could have taken it out on the side. I don't really know. Took my edges out because it's so good, but it is really drying. But yeah, just laying them down. And I knew at this point, this look was going to come together. I was like, oh yes, this is exactly what I wanted. And all I'm going to do from here on out, as far as keeping my edges, you know, and growing them back, is just leaving them alone and making sure they're nice and moisturized, hydrated, and no tension, no rubbing, no hats, none of that kind of stuff because I'm a hat girl, especially in the summertime, and I'm a headband girl. So I'm going to lay off those a bit and see what happens. Use my Sacred, use my minoxidil and all that stuff. And I should be good, y'all. I really should be good. So y'all, so here's the final look. I gave you just a few looks, wearing them down, wearing them half up, half down, a bun, like a half up, half down bun, and just kind of pull back. These do have a little bit of weight to them, a little bit more than what I wanted, but it's all good. I really just planned on wearing this hair in a like half up, half down style anyways, more like a bun, because that's typically how I wear my locks. Nothing really in my face. I'm not a like in my face. I don't like a lot of hair in my face, period. Doesn't matter what style I'm wearing. But they turned out so good, you guys. And I thought I was going to definitely do more boho pieces, but I didn't. But you can still kind of see them in here. Y'all, altogether, I spent $40 on this style. Got it done within an hour, if like less than that, to be honest. And I am good to go. It's lightweight, no pulling, no tension. This is a really good back to school style as well, of course, and it's very customizable. So use as many boho pieces as you want to. They didn't put a lot in there, so I think it's going to be very easy to maintain so you don't have to deal with all those curly pieces. So that's it, y'all. Make sure you check the description box. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name.